Hey everyone, it's Michael and Lee from Forever Aesthetic. If you are preparing for a police fitness test, you know that the shuttle run or beep test is one of the toughest challenges.
Today we're going to give you 3 key tips on how you can improve that shuttle run performance and crush your test.
Tip number 1, build aerobic endurance.
This is very important as the beep test does start off slow and progresses up, so you don't want to get gassed out early on.
Adding steady state runs to your routine will really help. You want to run for 20 to 30 minutes, 2 to 3 times per week, as this will help you build that strong aerobic base.
Tip number 2, train your anaerobic power with intervals.
Next, you'll want to work on training your anaerobic power, as the later stages of the beep test are all about quick, explosive bursts of speed.
Interval training is great for this. You're going to want to sprint for 30 seconds, recover for 1 minute. You can do this 6 to 8 times. This will help stimulate your speed when the beep test gets faster.
Your body will then be accustomed to handling those sprints down in the later levels. Tip number 3, master your turns.
You need to practice your turns. The beep test isn't only about running fast, it's about transitioning efficiently.
So when you're about to reach that line, stay low, pivot on your outside leg, explode off that leg so that you can ride your momentum through the rest of the shuttle. Practicing sharp turns can help you save energy and time. Improving your shuttle run comes down to smart training, building endurance, increasing your anaerobic power, and mastering your technique.
Incorporating these tips into your workouts will help you dominate that test.
If you would like personalized coaching, reach out to us at Forever Aesthetic. We specialize in helping our clients pass law enforcement fitness tests.
Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to pass their police fitness test.
And we'll see you in the next video.